Ever wished you could use Photoshop on your smartphone instead of the desktop version? Now you can! I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download the Adobe Photoshop app for iPhone. Now let's get started. To download Photoshop, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Adobe Photoshop at the top. Tap Adobe Photoshop when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Photoshop. That's all it takes to download Photoshop. Want to edit videos on your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.